Well, greetings everyone, and welcome to this episode of Health Freedom with Dr. Layne. I am so excited about this topic tonight. I get asked this question a lot. In this video, we are going to cover the differences, the levels of protection between a standard PMA, a faith-based PMA, a ministry that's nature-based, and then a ministry that is God-based. And if you don't know what those terms are, I've got a video on that called Terms to Know. Head over, watch that video, and then come back to this one, okay? I'm Dr. Layne Linebaugh. I am a chiropractor. I'm an animal chiropractor, and I'm a private membership association advisor. I also have a private health association structure for my business, and this is an exciting time in our world. Yeah, we watched our freedoms tried to be taken away or been encroached on, and it was slow and it was simple and we didn't really know what was going on, but now we do, and we're protecting ourselves. So it's really, really exciting. So let's jump in, shall we? So first of all, you have a standard PMA, and the protections that gives is that all the same protections that all private domains have. And this is your freedoms of speech, your liberties that are covered under the Constitution. So right to assemble, freedom of speech, right to privacy, where we don't have to follow things like recommendations and orders and those things called man/dates. So that's the protections with a standard PMA. Now, a faith-based PMA, or we might want to say private health association, that's pretty much my gig here, my crowd here. And so that one, we get those same levels of protection. We also, we move into the tax-exempt status under a 508c1a. And that's the same for a ministry, and whether it's nature or God-based. So we get those same protections, the right to assemble, freedom of speech, but we also get to invoke religious liberty. This is our First Amendment right, in case you were not aware, or you're remembering this. And it's based in belief. So all of the case law that has protected the private domains is also supporting us in this private health association or PMA realm. Next, we want to talk about ministries. Now, ministries afford you even greater protections with your religious liberties. And whether it's a nature-based or a God-based ministry, you have your religious liberty protection. Same as a faith-based organization. The neat thing about a ministry is as long as it's unincorporated, this is nice. This gives you room to expand. So say you want to add maybe in some education to your practice, and you're going to be teaching seminars or kids or something like that. You might want to think about having a ministry. Maybe you're going to get property and grow your own food and share that with your clients, with your patients. That would give you room in a ministry to do those sorts of things. So it's definitely something to look at. Again, we're still in that 508c1a status. Go into the God ministry. Now we're going to invoke religious authority. And what that does is it brings in case law that has ruled in favor of scriptural authority. So now you have even greater protection. In a way, the nature ministry is a lot like a private health association, faith-based, like I have. And the benefit, again, is for expansion. But when we go into the scriptural authority, the religious liberties realm with the God God, with all of this scriptural writings and sacred texts behind us, including the Constitution, that is a very sacred document. And so it adds all of those protections in there as well. So again, this is really exciting. There is one more. There's the church realm. And if you're looking at a church, the distinction there, you get all of those protections. The distinction there is if you're holding actual services somewhere. So you're giving a sermon and those sorts of things, okay? But that's kind of a different conversation. But I just wanted you to know that piece. Please like, subscribe, and share these videos and this channel and ask questions. You can book a free consultation with me. We talk about 40 minutes and see what your vision, your dreams, your goals are for your practice, for your healing purpose in the world. Thank you for being here.